Assalamualaikum, hello and welcome. I am Azrina binti Madihi, and today I will present our study on palm ash and lime in sustainable peat soil improvement. This research explores how we can transform weak peat soil into strong sustainable foundation for future infrastructures. Peat soil is common in many regions, including Malaysia, but it presents serious challenge for construction. Think about roads and houses we have seen in peatlands area. Many sinks or crack over time. That's the reality of building on peat soil. Without stabilization, construction becomes risky, costly, and prone to failure. The main issues are stream compressibility and very low shear strength. Extreme compressibility where large void spaces cause severe settlement under load. Critically low strength, meaning it lacks the shear strength and cohesion to support very heavy structures. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on ground that keeps compressing. It simply won't hold. This is why engineers often hesitate to build in peatland area. This is why effective soil stabilization methods are essential. In this study, we have two main components, which are palm ash and lime. Palm ash, an abundant waste product from the palm oil industry. It is containing palazonic properties. And for lime, a proven chemical stabilizing agent that when combined with ash accelerate cohesion. In this study, peat soil was stabilized using a combination of palm ash and agricultural byproduct and lime. The goal was to improve the soil mechanical properties while also promoting environmental sustainability. Now let's focus on the objective of our project. Our first objective is to compare soil strengths across different mixture of palm ash and lime. By testing various percentage, we can see how each combination affects peat soil performance. Second, we aim to identify the optimal threshold, the right percentage of palm ash and lime that truly strengthen peat soil. This helps us avoid waste and ensure effectively. And finally, our third objective is to determine the ultimate ratio. In other words, the precise balance between peat soil, palm ash and lime that deliver maximum strength and stability. These three objectives form the backbone of our study. Together, they ensure that our solution is not only effective but also practical and sustainable. This shows the methodology for this study. In this study, we have two phases. For phase 1 is for preparation of soil sample. For step 1, soil mixed with agent which are palm ash and lime, and then the mixture will produce the sample of soil. For second phase, this is the process in the testing the sample. Once the sample is ready, we will use unconsolidated undrained or UU triaxial test. From this testing, we will get the value of angle of friction and the cohesion for the sample. As a result, we have tested three different soil composition. Sample 1 was pure pit soil with water as a control sample. Sample 2 include 5% palm ash and 10% lime mixed with pit soil and water. Sample 3 had a higher mix, 30% palm ash and 15% lime combined with pit soil and water. Among these, sample 3 recorded the highest shear strength. This showed that increasing the palm ash and lime content significantly improved soil stabilization. The Mohs circle diagram confirms this result. Sample 3 showed the highest maximum shear stress. This means it has superior shear strength compared to the sample 1 and sample 2. The technical term, the soil cohesion, was measured at 30 kilopascal and a friction angle of 20 degrees. This proved that palm ash and lime together can significantly improve pit soil stability. By using palm ash, we can reduce agricultural waste while providing a cost-effective and environmental-friendly solution for soil improvement. This result clearly demonstrates that the combination of palm ash and lime significantly enhances pit soil strength. In conclusion, this study demonstrates how agricultural waste like palm ash combined with lime can transform weak pit soil into strong, sustainable foundation. Our experiment showed that sample 3 achieved the highest shear strength, making it the most effective stabilization method. In conclusion, this study showed that weak pit soil can be transformed into a stable foundation using palm ash and lime. The findings provide practical guidance for sustainable pit soil stabilization, especially in peatland region. By converting waste into strength, we can support safer and more sustainable infrastructure development. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.